Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Molly and I like to make motherhood and lifestyle content here on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different and also kind of fun because I'm going to be doing a declutter with me. As you guys know, I have been in California visiting my mom and my sister for the past few months while my husband is overseas, and it is now time for me to head back home to Tennessee because my honey is going to be home in just a few more months. So with that being said, since I have been here for about 4 months, I have accumulated some things. She has gone through a couple different clothing sizes, and I've just kind of acquired some stuff that I just need to go through and figure out what I'm bringing back home with us and what is going to be finding new homes. So yeah, guys, my goal with this is to make this a 2-part series. First part being a declutter, and then the second part being a pack with me, because we're gonna have to pack up everything to a road trip across the country. So yeah, guys, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button down below so you can see our journey back to Tennessee. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. So should we get into it? I'll take that as a yes. Okay, so I am in the bedroom now, and I am just going to kind of show you guys a brief little up and down of what the situation is right now and what we need to go through and organize. There's a couple things I need to do in here actually, because this pack and play down here where Gracie has been sleeping is actually being borrowed at the moment, but I did just buy this one right here. It is just the 4Moms Breeze Plus, but I just bought that and I want to switch that out with this one because I want her to sleep in this pack and play for a few nights before we start the journey back to Tennessee, just so it's not like a total shock to her that she's in a different bed. But yeah, let me show you guys kind of our little storage area where we've been keeping our clothing and whatnot, and kind of where things have just been collecting so you can see kind of what that's looking like. This place is honestly a mess. These are some clothes down here that I actually already started kind of going through, and they are things that are too small for her, but this has been the area where we are keeping our clothes and burp cloths and everything. Wow. So the gray cubes down here are mine, and then the pink are Gracie's. And then of course we do have this closet as well. Sorry guys, can't see that. This has been the closet where I keep all of the things hung up. And then down there are my shoes. That's kind of a mess. So yeah, guys, what I think I'm going to do is just kind of start, because the longer I stare at it, the harder it's going to get. I'm just going to start kind of going through all this stuff, and I'm just going to let the camera roll and catch whatever it's going to catch. But first I need to figure out how to take down this pack and play, because I didn't actually even set it up. My sister did. So I need to figure out how to break this down so I can get the new one set up, which, by the way, is so easy. Literally, if you're buying a pack and play, buy the 4Moms one. It's literally the easiest thing of life. Need to take this down, get that set up, and yeah, guess we'll go from there. you know, that's just real life. That's what happens when you have a baby, you know, things get busy. But as you saw, I just did the pink tubs. Those were all of Gracie's clothes. I kind of just like picked out what is too small for her, and then I'm going to be giving that to one of my friends who is having a baby. She's my bestie girl, and now she's having a baby, and it's going to be Gracie's bestie. But yes, so I'm going to give a big bag of clothes to her. She's actually going to come here in just a little bit and pick it up. So I really wanted to make sure I got all that done. But now I'm going to work on my clothes. Honestly, a lot of it I'll probably be bringing. So now we're going to tackle these cubes. I probably won't do this one because this is actually all just like socks and underwear, so all of this is going to be coming. So I'm just going to put this off to the side. Alrighty guys, so I think I'm going to wrap up today's video with that. I hope you liked kind of watching me organize these clothes and kind of get them all broken down and put together. Keep an eye out for the next video. Is going to be the pack with me to drive across the country with a 9-month-old. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well so you know whenever I post a new video. So yeah guys, thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Bye guys.